Hello grammarians. Let's learn the classification of nouns as per the case, that is the possessive case. Possessive nouns require the understanding of the singular and plural forms of nouns. I have already covered the topic. In case you missed it, I'm mentioning the link in description. Do check it out. Particularly, we will be learning possessive nouns and the use of apostrophe. Now you must be wondering what possessive nouns are. Well, the word possessive indicates ownership or possession. For example, this is Anna's book, which means Anna is the possessor of the book and book is the possession. Moving on to the details. Here's how possessive nouns are defined. A possessive noun indicates ownership or possession. Let us now look at some more examples of possessive nouns. Look at the first example, Shakespeare's play. Here, Shakespeare is the possessor, while play is the possession. Example number 2 is a man's jacket. Here, man is the possessor, while jacket is the possession. Example number 3 is this is Ram's umbrella. In this sentence, the possessor is Ram, while the possession is umbrella. The fourth example is a girl's pen. Here, the possessor is girl, while the possession is pen. In each of these sentences, we see a pair of nouns, one of which is the name of the possessor and the other name of the thing possessed. A possessive noun usually answers the question whose. Refer these examples for a better understanding. Shirin's mother is ill. The bee's sting is painful. This is Anna's book. A question can be framed on each of these sentences, which basically answers the question whose. For instance, Shirin's mother is ill. Whose mother is ill? The bee's sting is painful. Whose sting is painful? This is Anna's book. Whose book is it? Now the singular nouns in these examples are Shirin, bee and Anna. To form possessive nouns of the singular number, simply add an apostrophe s. That is, Shirin, Shirins, bee, bees, Anna, Annas. Here's a detailed note on the same. In these sentences, the nouns in the possessive form are in the singular number, and the possessive form is made by adding an apostrophe and an s. Moving on to the plural number. Examine these sentences. Many boys' books are lost. All these horses' feet are shod. We saw rows of soldiers' tents. Here, the nouns in plural number are boys, horses, and soldiers. You must have noticed that the apostrophe is placed after the plural. Here's a detailed note on the same. In these sentences, the nouns in the possessive form are in the plural number, and the possessive form is made by adding only the apostrophe and not another s. Have a look at these examples. Men's lives are short. The children's toys are broken. These oxen's humps are large. Here, the underlined nouns men, children, and oxen are already in the plural form. You must have noticed that we are adding an apostrophe even to the plural forms of nouns to form the possessive nouns. Here's a detailed note on the same. In these sentences, The nouns in the possessive form are in the plural number, but do not end in s. Therefore, the apostrophe and s are used as in the singular. Let's solve an easy peasy exercise. Pick out the possessive nouns in the following sentences. The children found a bird's nest. Tom attends a boys' school. The children's clothes are new. The ladies' saris were beautiful. The girl's voice is sweet. The farmer's work is done. The answers to these questions are birds, boys, children's, ladies, girls, and farmers. One can easily identify the possessive nouns simply by observing the presence of apostrophe s or an apostrophe placed after s. Hope this video helped you understand the possessive nouns. So what next, grammarians? In the next video, we will be learning the sentence and the 4 types of sentences. Stay tuned.